So now let's create this in Kinemaster. So open your Kinemaster application and create a new project. Now choose 16:9 ratio and add a background. So I will give the link of this background in description, and all the materials that I am using will be also in the description. So don't forget to check the description. Now make the length of about 15 seconds. So I am making here about 15-second length, and also add vignette effect to the background. After adding the background, go to the layer option and add this PNG. So the link will be in the description. So we are going to animate this PNG. Now increase the length of this PNG. So I am making here till the end. Now we are going to use key animation here. Add one key at the starting and other key at the end. Now at the end key, rotate the PNG 4 to 5 times. So you can see here. So you have to rotate this PNG 4 to 5 times. In this way we will create the animation. So you can see that our PNG is animated here. So now we are going to add another PNG and animate in the opposite direction. So go to the layer option and media option and add another PNG. Now adjust the PNG and increase the length of the PNG and animate it like before, but in the opposite direction. So I am adding the key here. Now rotate the PNG in the opposite direction here. So in this anti-clockwise direction. So you can see here our background animation is ready. So in this way you can easily create the animation here. So now we are going to add the DI PNG here. So go to the layer option and add the DI PNG. So I will give the link in the description. So adjust the PNG. Now increase the length of the PNG and make it till the end. After increasing the length, go to the 3 dot and create a duplicate. So after creating the duplicate, place it in the opposite direction like this. So now we are going to animate this DI. So go to the layer option and add this green screen video. So I will give the link in the description. So it has 3 glowing light candles animation. So crop the one. So I am cropping this first one. So after cropping, trim off the extra part. Now use the chroma key. So do some adjustment here. So I am adjusting according to my need. So now put this glowing animation in DI. So adjust like this here. So I am adjusting. So after adjusting in the one, create a duplicate layer. So go to the 3 dot and create duplicate layer. Now adjust in the opposite DI. So I am adjusting here. So now our glowing animation is ready here. So after that, go to the layer option again and add another media here. So I am adding the Laltin PNG here. So you can see here I have 2. So I will give the link of the both in the description. So adjust in this position like this and increase the length of this PNG. So we are going to create a duplicate layer of this and adjust in the opposite direction. So and also use the animation flicker here. So for now our animation look like this. So we are going to add more things here. So now go to the layer option again and we are going to add one more PNG here. So I'm adding the hanging DI PNG here. So adjust in the corner here. Now increase the length of this PNG. So now let's choose the animation for this. So I am choosing the animation drifting here. So choose drifting animation. So now create a duplicate layer of it and add in the opposite direction. So now I am doing here some adjustment. I am sending this hanging there little above. So I will also change the position of this laltin here. So I adjust the lalting in this position. So I think this is perfect for it. Now go to the layer option again, and we are going to add here Goddess Laxmi PNG. So I adjust it in the center here. After adjustment, increase the length of the PNG. So now we are going to add the light PNG. So go to the layer option and add the PNG. So we are going to place the PNG in the back of forehead of Goddess Laxmi here. So and increase the length of the PNG. Now after adjustment, send the PNG to back. Now select the light PNG and go to the cropping option and enable the marks and increase the feather value. So now let's animate this PNG. So go to the overall animation and choose the animation to pulse. So now we are going to add the last PNG here. So go to the media and add the PNG. So I am adding the Diwali PNG here. So I will give the link in the description. So adjust the PNG. Now increase the length of the PNG and choose in animation to pop and choose the speed of 0.5. Now we are going to add one media here. So go to the media option and add this glitter effect. Go to the blending option and choose the blending option to screen. Now select the media and go to the 3 dot option and send this media to back. So now let's add music to our video. So go to the layer option and add the music here. So I am adding the music from video. So extract the audio and delete the video. So now our video is almost ready. So we are going to do little adjustment here. So now select the Goddess Laxmi PNG and choose in animation to pop and choose the speed of 0.5. So now our video is ready. Let's watch it. So in this way you can easily create this video. So if you want more video related to Diwali, you can comment down. So if you like my content, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel. So if you want to watch more videos related to video editing, so you can check the right side playlist and you can check our recent video on the left. So thank you for watching.